Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little skinny little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows.
I rarely ever pluck or bleach my wigs these days. All the wigs normally come pretty ready to go, so I love showing you guys stuff that I really can promote and attest to. This wig is from Alipearl Hair. As you can see, the hairline is amazing. Like, I really want to know what it took for the companies to start sending us wigs that are already made. Why were they not doing this before? What had to happen to where we got to this point? Because they should have been doing this. The wig came completely plucked, bleached. I didn't have to do anything except for to literally put the wig on. Okay, so I did not add any extra customization. I did not pluck the wig any extra or do any of that except for literally do my install. I have been liking to do my wigs this way these days because it takes less time. I honestly do not like doing all the customization. That is one of the parts of installing wigs that I hate the most. So the fact that it's already done for me, I will always want a wig like that. And then it also gives you guys an opportunity to see how a wig is looking straight out of the box without me performing any magic or anything like that. Of course, I can pluck a wig down, so don't ever think that I can't, because I can. It's just a fact of convenience. And if I do pluck wigs, you guys will definitely know. I will give you that disclaimer at the beginning of the video. But this wig has not been touched by me. I'm just putting it on. It is a 22-inch chocolate brown, dark brown frontal 13x4, and it is an actual 13x4. It is not small on the sides. It's a full frontal. I love the parting space on it, and the texture is very silky. I like this wig. I'm giving it a cool 9 out of 10 as of right now. I will be updating you guys. I actually have this wig on. I did not take it off. It's not just for the video, and I'll give y'all an update once I take it off into one of my other videos. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you can see the update, because it will just be sprinkled in amongst my videos. But yeah, 22 inches. I do think it's a little bit longer than 22. It's supposed to be HD lace. I don't know if it's actually HD lace, but I will say it's very thin lace. I cannot see a whole bunch of that shadow that lace normally will give, and it's not there. So I do think it's like a somewhat type of thin lace. I don't think it's HD. Overall, I'm really satisfied with this wig. It can be found in the description box below. I will have the link to the exact wig that's on in this video. Also, you guys, I like to link the wigs on my Amazon storefront because I just feel like it's a lot more convenient. Sometimes I find a wig that I really like, but I need it in like 1 to 2 days. So I will prefer to purchase it through Amazon. And I mean, just as a little hack, a little trick, you know, most people don't know. All of the companies are the same. Amazon, Alipearl through their website, Alipearl through Shein. It's all the same company. Do not get fooled by people saying, oh, I bought this off Shein. Like, realistically, it's all the same thing, okay? So if I can make it more convenient, I'm going to go ahead and purchase it in a more convenient place, which is through Amazon. So I will have it linked on my storefront as well if you want to purchase through there. I definitely think that it's worth the buy. I like it a lot. I love the color, very complimentary to my skin. So yeah, if you're not already following me on social media, make sure to go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because I do post there a lot more times than here. Like, I'll be posting over there more often. It's been a break. I haven't really posted on YouTube in a really long time. I did miss you guys, but I do like to post over there because it's like more short form content. It's easier for me to edit and just get it out versus like YouTube is a full production. I did change my name to Alicia Corinne. If you were wondering how to pronounce that, that is my middle name, Corinne, and it's just easier for me to have it. Initially, I didn't want to do that because I thought my middle name was spelled really weird and no one would be able to say my name, but it's unique to me. There's no one else with my name spelled exactly how I spell it, and I'm able to have the same name on all platforms. So you can find me on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, all at Alicia Corinne. Keep on watching the video to see the install of the wig, and also at the end of the video, I will have a review of what I'm thinking and my personal thoughts and opinions on the wig after installing. I feel like a lot of videos are missing that review portion, and I'm trying to bring it back, okay? So make sure you follow all the way to the end to hear that part.
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you. Without you. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cool without you. Without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad when love will make you do all the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm weak 'cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Why you hurt me, leave me like this hurting. All I gave you, all my heart, and all you did was tear it up, knocking at my
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just show me back. But I love when we make up like that.
Okay, so install is done. I wanted to give you guys my overall opinion. I want to start doing this at the end of the video because I feel like a lot of videos these days are missing like the review portion. Instead of me just showing like what the wig looked like, we're never talking about what we think about the wig for real. Just a quick on, install, and go. But this wig is so soft. So I have my initial thoughts about the wig, and I'm just going to give you comparison to what I originally thought. The wig is so soft, like how I feel it after installing. It's still giving soft, silky. I can run my hands through it. There's no shedding at all. The hair is full to front from beginning to end. I did trim the ends, as y'all can see in the video, just because I like that blunt look. I think it looks a lot like healthy, like healthy, fresh trim on the hair. It's very, very flat. The hairline is plucked really, really good. I love this color. Personally, I feel like brown wigs usually look ashy looking, but this is the perfect tone. I think it blends with my skin really, really nicely. It's like a warm chocolate brown for real. Sometimes they give you like that number 4 ashy brown, and this is not that. It's a really warm color and will complement the skin well. Frontal is a good amount of parting space all the way around. The wig was a little bit snug. I wouldn't say it was completely small. Again, I got a medium. A large would have been too big, so I'm okay with the medium size cap. I did cut a little bit too much off right here, so it looks like I have like a bald edge there, but it's okay. You know, it's okay. It's okay. It won't be showing for real. And I can pull some hair down and just make it work. But overall, I feel like the wig is good. Very good density. We will see how it holds up. Again, in my last video, I mentioned to you guys that I will be actually wearing my wig. Sometimes when I used to do installs or wig reviews, I will put the wig on and then I'm doing another wig like immediately after. So I am actually going to wear this wig and let you guys know what I think in like another video. So just make sure you subscribe to me so you can, you know, get the review or update on the video. And I actually didn't use any makeup today. I used only this lace tint spray from Kiss, and it's in the shade medium dark brown. It was my exact skin tone, which usually these colors are off, but it matched perfectly today and I have nothing to complain about. So check back in to see the update of this wig, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
Maybe we can start like that.